Hi there, I'm Junyu Luo from Beihang University. I'm on behalf of our team to present our new work in 3D visual grounding. Our work named 3D SPS, which takes the 3D visual task as a key point selection task and propose a single-stage point progressive selection approach. 3D visual grounding aims to locate the target object in the 3D scene based on an object-related linguistic description. Existing 3D VG methods are mainly based on the detection, then matching two-stage pipeline. The first stage is language irrelevant detection, which uses general 3D object detector to produce object proposals. The second stage is cross-modal matching, where vision language methods are usually designed to match the proposal and the description. We argue that the separation of the two stages limits the existing method. Firstly, two-stage method will meet the dilemma of proposals. Since the 3D point clouds are large scale and irregular, the 3D detector needs to sample a limited number of key points to represent the whole scene. However, sparse proposals may leave out the target in the detection stage, which leads to the inability to locate the target in the matching stage. Meanwhile, dense proposals may contain redundant objects, causing the interproposal relationship so complex that the matching model struggles to distinguish the target. The key point sampling strategy usually adopted in the first stage detector is also language irrelevant. The strategy aims to sample key points to cover the entire scene as much as possible to detect all potential objects. Thus, the propagation of the target key point is relevantly small, which is unfavorable for the target prediction. Our main idea is to progressively select key points under the guidance of language description throughout the whole process. We treat the 3D VG task as a key point selection problem. We propose 3D SPS method which directly performs 3D VG at a single stage to bridge the gap between detection and matching. 3D SPS progressively select key points you can see in the figure from the blue point to the red point and then to the green point. To the best of our knowledge, 3D SPS is the first work to investigate single-stage 3D VG. We designed two modules for 3D SPS. The first is Description-Aware Key Point Sampling Module, DKS. DKS brings word feature into the sampling process and focus on the key point of language-relevant objects. These objects provide significant clues to distinguish the grounding target. We also designed a target-oriented progressive mining module, TPM. TPM is a T-layer multimodule transformer model, which progressively selects the key point and discards target irrelevant key point in each layer. We verify our method on three datasets: ScanRefer, NR3D, and SR3D. On all these datasets, 3D SPS outperforms all existing methods. Then we'll use some experiments to study why 3D SPS can work. Comparing 3D SPS with two-stage approach, we can see that two-stage baseline does encounter the dilemma of sample point number. The accuracy first increase and then decrease when sampling more points. However, 3D SPS benefits from more sampled points. Meanwhile, the propagation of the target key point in the two-stage method is low, while in 3D SPS, the propagation of the target key point increases significantly after each selection. In qualitative result, we found that 3D SPS can sample points on the object mentioned in the text and gradually focus on the target objects. While the attention of two-stage method is uniform and sparse. We also found that 3D SPS can select different key points for the same target with different descriptions. In conclusion, we found that since the dilemma of proposal number and the language irrelevant sample, the separation of two stages limits the 3D VG methods. So in this paper, we propose 3D SPS, which is the first method of single-stage 3D VG with language-guided progressive selection. 3D SPS achieves SOTA performance on 3D VG tasks. This is our work, 3D SPS, single-stage 3D visual grounding via referred point progressive selection. Thanks for listening.